Hello and welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to take a look at, I picked up one of these cheapy Harbor Freight 1/4 inch stubby ratchets. This is not the Icon line or anything. You can see this is not finished in the best of ways. It's got a little roughness in her here and everything else. The finish is not the smoothest. But we're trying for the economy grade, take it to work and not regret losing it or breaking it routine. So it is 72 tooth. They claim it's made of chrome vanadium steel, tool steel, and it's a stubby 1/4 inch. So let's get it out of this thingamajig here and we'll take a look at her. Okay, so we got this out of its holder there. We can see it's not overly large, which is what I was going for here. The direction change is pretty nice. It's your typical ratchet of this style. We have a random proto socket here. We can see it actually does not seem to hold it on perfectly. I don't know if that's because of the proto or, yeah, that doesn't have a D10 inside of it. So we have a metric socket here, small guy. And we can see that holds that quite nicely. Good affirmative hold on that. And we have a nice feeling gear. The paws don't seem to be overly crunchy unless I very hardly load them to one side. But normal operation, they don't feel bad. But if I take this and push against itself pretty hard, it doesn't feel the greatest in that direction, but even in this direction it's actually not too bad. So probably not even, but that'll probably wear in even as you use the tool. So quick look here at a ratchet, just a Harbor Freight cheapy 1/4 inch ratchet. Pretty happy with it from the initial out of the box look. I like to use these for, I end up using stubbies a lot at work just because they're faster to run stuff down and get it snug, and sometimes we'll just end up torquing the lugs or what have you, so having something short to get everything close is kind of handy. So saw this, it was cheap, and I thought, well, let's see how it holds up for what it costs. See if it's a value for the money, so maybe we'll have a follow-up review on this if the eventual happens, and we'll talk about how it got to there and if we were abusing it or if we weren't. So there we go. Quick look at a Harbor Freight cheapy ratchet, and we'll see how it holds up in the tools at work, in the rotation. All right, thanks for watching.